I'm about to bleach my hair. I bleached my hair like 50 times in my life, okay? This isn't the first time I'm bleaching my hair. I don't know why I'm so nervous. I think because it's been a long time. It's been a long time. But there was this one time I actually bleached my hair 5 times in the same week. So Monday to Friday, every single day, I bleached my hair because I was trying, listen, y'all, I was trying to get a certain color, but it just wasn't coming out. It wasn't working for me. I don't know. But this time, I'm gonna get it. I'm literally obsessed with Tarek Ali and his hair. I really want my hair just like that. But the thing about it is my hair, like I said, I bleached my hair before. I just can't ever get it that platinum blonde color. So I don't know if I missed a step. Bitch, I don't know. But today, we gotta get it right. I bought literally all the ingredients, not ingredients, but all the stuff. So I watched his video like 50 times because I wanted to make sure I got it exactly right. And y'all, I went to the beauty store like 2 weeks ago to get everything that I needed. And I just rewatched his video again, like just now. And I realized that I still forgot to get a couple of things. First of all, I didn't get the Vaseline. I didn't get the shower cap, like the, you know, the clear plastic one. Didn't get that. So I'm like, bitch. But we gonna make it work. We gonna make it work, y'all. If y'all know, that's why I'm crazy. Because the bleach literally probably, the bleach already seeped down into my brains. I have no common sense whatsoever. Because y'all, I bleached my hair so much times in my life. But as you can see, I got my hair cut. So I literally just came from the barber about an hour ago. I don't know if I should have bleached it first, then get my hair cut, but I'm always doing things backwards, so I don't really care. Like, it is what it is. Either way, it's gonna get done. I wanted to do this from like a couple of weeks ago, but then I changed my mind and I said I'm gonna wait until today because I'm going on a road trip in like a couple of days. So I wanted to be, you know, fresh up, all fresh, my road trip, you know. I don't know who the hell can see me, but I just wanted to, you know, feel a certain type of way. So that's why I'm waiting until today. Oh shit. See, when you have these dumper trucks, you gotta be careful what you do. I just turned the oven on with my butt. Okay, I'm gonna go into the bathroom. I'm gonna rewatch Tarek Ali's video. And also, Eli Ormond. If you guys haven't joined the Eli Army, join the Eli Army. That dude is cool AF. So he did it too. Let's just go. Let's go and see. Oh, so let me show y'all everything that I got. I know the lighting is not the best, but it's giving what it kind of supposed to give, okay? So let me show y'all what I got from the beauty store. I got this do-rag just to put on after, because I actually don't have like a proper one. What is this? Oh, a dye brush, because you know you gotta have a dye brush. Honestly, I usually, when I used to bleach my hair, I would just use my hands. Not like yo, I am so ghetto. I would just put a plastic bag over my hand and then I couldn't find the, it's, you know, like it comes in a container. I only could find this one in the package, and I couldn't remember how much to get. So I got 4, and these were like $5 each. So I only got 4 because, bitch, what? So I hope 4 is enough. Tarek didn't say how much he used, but whatever. I don't know why. A rat tail comb, I don't know why. What's the purpose of that? Because I have so many combs already. I got a 40 volume developer because Tarek Ali uses a 40, and I've only ever used a 40 anyway, so that wasn't so foreign to me. And then I've always used this Shimmer purple shampoo, but I was using it totally wrong. So you know, you learn a lot from YouTube, so I got that as well. For the shower cap, I'm literally gonna use a plastic bag and put the plastic bag over my head and tie that bitch up like that. This is a 2-day process, so this might sound strange. I wanted to lose like 30 pounds before I bleached my hair because I don't know, I felt like it didn't look right, but if not now, then when? I'm gonna show you the whole thing from beginning to end. This is just day 1, so you have to stick around to see the final reveal. Y'all like my haircut? Me too. Let's do this. I was just rewatching the videos and like he said he uses 2 scoops. And because I got the like these packs, they don't come with scoops. So I don't know what 2 scoops is. Y'all think that's 2 scoops? I don't know. But let me eyeball it. Okay, that should be enough. It's funny because on the instructions it says not to use this powder with more than 20 volume developer. And we out here using 40. Like, we don't follow the rules around here. So the first thing I'm gonna do is like comb my hair back because that's what Tariq does, okay? I don't have Vaseline, so instead of that, I'm gonna use this Blue Magic grease because y'all, I'm gonna get hit. I am so bougietto, like bougie ghetto. It's not even funny. Tariq says he uses lotion as well, so I'm gonna go in with some lotion. Wash hair, did that. Comb hair backwards, did that. 2 scoops of BW2 with a 40 developer, did that. Do the edges. Now it's time to bleach the hair, y'all. That's literally the next step. I'm nervous AF. This is so fucking scary, like it's not even. So I've applied all the bleach. Let me just get the camera a little better. So yeah, as you can see, it's fully applied. It took me like 10 minutes because I couldn't really see the back properly even though I had the mirror. So Tariq says 1 hour, 20 minutes. So I'm gonna let it sit for 1 hour and 10 minutes. And y'all, this is already burning. It's like, I don't know. I'm ready to wash this out. So let's give it 1 hour and 10 minutes, see how it looks. I don't have a shower cap. I'm gonna use a plastic bag and we're gonna tie it down. I might have to go sit in my car in the AC. Yo, I don't know what to do at this point, but honey, when I tell you this bitch is burning, hey. And now we wait. Oh my God, it's okay, y'all. So it's been like 1 hour. I don't know how I don't know. Y'all, I feel like I'm gonna pass out. This is hurting so bad. I literally tried everything. I tried the blow dryer on the cold setting. I went outside. I was laying under the fan. Y'all, I have like 20 more minutes left and I don't think I'm gonna make it. I've never, like, I bleached my hair before and it does tingle and burn, but I don't think I've ever felt it burn like this before. So I think I might have mixed it a little bit strong. I don't know, y'all, but I honestly, like, I can't take it. I just can't take it anymore. I'm gonna wash it out. Like, this is very, very painful. It looks pretty good. So I did make it to 7 o'clock with that bleach on my head. It was horrifying, but what I did was I hopped in the shower and I let some hot water run on my face, and I think it like counteracted the burning on my head, because as soon as the hot water hit my face, I couldn't feel what was happening on my head. So I literally had my face under the water, like breathing through my mouth for like 20 minutes. I really, really like how it came out. I put some leave-in conditioner on it. When I hit it tomorrow, I'm gonna start like from right here, because this part is a little bit darker blonde than the rest of it, but it came out really good. Let me just turn around and show you what the back looks like. And that's it for today. So day 1 is done. Honestly, I don't know how I'm gonna make it through day 2 with this, y'all. That was so painful. And anyways, I'm gonna make it work. So we're gonna go for that platinum blonde. That's the goal. No pain, no gain. So I'll see y'all tomorrow. Day 2. I already put the, what do you call this? The grease around my edges to protect it. I did kind of burn myself a little bit, like right here. I knew it was gonna, I immediately felt it when I put the bleach on yesterday. I felt it immediately. So I knew it was gonna burn. I like the color so far. I like the way it came out, but we going for that platinum, like platinum blonde. So we're gonna, everything we did yesterday, we're gonna do again today. So my hair is cleaned. I already combed it back. I already put the grease around my edges. Now I'm gonna go ahead and mix the bleaching powder with the 40 volume and start applying, let it sit for an hour. While it's on my head, burning my brain out, I'm gonna like start moving some stuff, because I told you guys I'm moving, so I'm gonna start like putting some kitchen stuff, bathroom stuff together, like clothes, and just like pack everything, I guess to distract myself too, but that's what we're gonna do now. So let's go ahead and start mixing, and the next time you see me, I'll be applying the bleach onto my head, and then we're gonna get started. Finish? Yeah. Go. Oh, are you serious? I love it. Oh my gosh. I freaking love it. Wow. Oh my goodness. This is amazing. I'm not even done yet. I know this is not as low as Tariq has his, but I didn't want it that low. This is the look I was going for. So I'm extremely happy. I want my hair to dry first and then I'll put purple shampoo on it. I was reading on Reddit last night, a purple shampoo hack that a lot of people use. And instead of putting it on wet hair, if you put it on dry hair, it actually works a lot better. So I'm gonna dry my hair, then I'm gonna hit it with the purple shampoo, let it sit for 15 minutes. Any longer than that and it might stain your hair, so you don't wanna do it that long, but I'm like, if I don't even, like, I'm good with this, but if it can look even better, then I definitely wanna go for it.